Leo, are you taking care of your money, Leo? Are you taking your self-worth routine seriously, Leo? I would hate to see that you get some bad news about a financial decision you made last week and now it causes your account to go negative, or you miss out on an opportunity because you don't think you are valuable enough to accept that opportunity. Like, which with Leo that seems to be less likely, but you never fucking know. With Jupiter in your 12th house, you may experience a dream about what may happen as well. You have an interesting, if you have an interesting dream this week, write it down and see if you can find out what it means to you by just being aware of what occurs in your life. Find the patterns and coincidences. Okay? All in all, Leo, make sure your money is not funny and don't do anything for the money that could come back and bite you in the ass. All right? Be responsible, my nigga. My nigga, my nigga. My nigga, my nigga.